Welcome back. Today, I've landed a bargain. Or perhaps a pile of scrap metal worth $300. This used to be tomato, a symbol of optimism, but after a devastating fire, it's just a charred, rusty wreck in the middle of the forest. Can I revive this legendary smile from the ashes? Let's begin this challenging restoration journey now.
Found it. It's in bad shape, but still got those eyes. Thanks, buddy.
Reaching into Mater's side. Lots of old napkins in here. Time to clear this out.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The thick layer of rust from 50 years is finally giving way to the power of the grinding machine. Look at these sparks. They're rekindling hope for Mater. Every millimeter of gleaming metal revealed is one step closer to lifting this fellow out of the scrap metal graveyard. Restoring a fire-damaged car isn't simply about polishing. The fire has warped the metal structure, creating deadly holes. I'm patching up Mater's memories with new pieces of steel. The screeching of the welding machine and the smell of molten metal. That's the melody of rebirth. There's no room for error at this stage if we want Mater to have his perfect smile again.
Keep still, Mater. Just a little further. Almost done now, buddy.
Fits perfectly. Okay, let's mark it. Just need to trim a little more around the edge.
Time to get all this rust and moss off.
Thanks, fella.
God, this thing is soaked. Watch out for those wires. Finally. The floor pan here was completely gone, so we put in this new welded patch, painted it black. The edges
The
here...
dust is gone. The rust is receding. The bare steel shell is shining under the workshop lights. We're halfway from a $300 pile of scrap metal to a work of art. Let's dive into the details. Goodbye to the grey exterior of bare steel. Now it's time for Mater to don his legendary coat. Thin, smooth layers of epoxy primer are filling in the fire scars. And here it is. The classic teal color of radiator springs. See? Our beloved Mater is truly back. The feeling of seeing this paint covering a smooth metal surface is truly addictive.
Almost there. Just a little bit left to clean.
Look at that, it's coming right off. Almost done with the hood.
Time for a little cleanup. Looking good, buddy. That feels mighty fine. Almost brand new.
Just need to finish this rust.
Keep going, you're almost there.
Yes, got it. Perfect.
Perfect fit.
Don't take your eyes off the screen. Because this is magic. The clear coat finish is creating a magical mirror effect. Fire may burn metal, but it cannot extinguish the shine of Mater's soul. Each turn of the polishing machine is a step in erasing the traces of a dark past. From a $300 pile of scrap metal, we are creating a true treasure. The final picture is nearing completion. Every screw, every tiny chrome detail must be perfect. Mater's signature smile is taking shape. Hear the clicking of metal as it fits together. That's the sound of rebirth. We have gone from ashes to glory. Enjoy these final moments of transformation.
Almost.
Whoa, check that out.
Just watch it level out.
Still some flakes here, but this patch is perfectly smooth now. Back that classic color. Look at that shine.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Looking good. Yeah, that's the stuff. Keep.
It's like it's brand new underneath. Unbelievable depth.
And here's the result. From a pile of burnt out scrap metal that I risked buying for $300, Mater has truly come back to life. Looking at this smile, this shine, it's hard to believe this guy once lay alone in the deep forest. This project reminds me that nothing is completely lost if we have the patience to take care of it. If you love this transformation of Mater, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel to join me on my next resurrection projects. Thank you for watching.
Wow.
See you in the next video.
That's a perfect paint job.